Welcome back, Harold Osmer, West Hills Wood, Art Deco door restoration. Hey, be sure to like, subscribe to the channel. There you go. Hey, we found these doors in a vintage shop. They just fascinated me. They're not full-size doors like you would find in a doorway. They look like doors that went to maybe a changing room or something in a pool, or I don't know. There's two of them, number 5 and number 19, and they were in rough shape, but the Art Deco thing just really appeals to me. So I just bought them. I had to. Wow, I couldn't leave them. They have these nice push plates there for you, and here's some good looks at just what these were like. You know, the condition. They're pretty solid. They're nice. I need to find a good home for them, but in the meantime, this is what I was up against. They're pretty solid. Plywood, mahogany. The old lacquer finish was in sad shape, as you can see. But, you know, that's what we do. So we get the metal plates off, buffed them up. Oh, they're solid and heavy. Quite nice, though. And then we got the doors all sanded down and cleaned up. And the mahogany plywood, or veneer on that plywood came out really nice. So we have some brushing lacquer that we applied. And we got several coats on here. And it's a quick way of looking at this. This is like the magic time with anything in the wood shop, is when you get some finish going on and that wood just pops right out. Nice golden color on that mahogany. And then this is what it gets to looking like. Quite pleased with that. And you can see that little insert there. We had to build a frame for it, so we built the little frames, again, out of mahogany, and then did some research and discovered a nice Art Deco green, and so we painted that in there. And it came out just beautiful. Look at that. And we have a pair of them. Again, they're not full size, they're like 3/4 size. I got to find a use for them, or somebody who can actually use them themselves. So if you're in the market for this, or you'd really like to have a couple of these, we have them. Just get a hold of me. I'm easy to find. You already found me. That's what they wound up looking like. We got a pair. Just to remind you, that's what we started with. So that's the kind of thing we do over here at West Hills Wood. And the Art Deco thing really just trips our trigger. Hey, this is Harold Osmer of West Hills Wood. Be sure to like, subscribe, send beer.